What's up, guys? Welcome back to FlexVR. Today we'll be playing Animal Rivals, but we're only using shotgun and machete. Let's go. Let's go. It's fine.
Match starting.
We got this, guys. We got this.
Round starting.
GG.
Shotgun. Okay.
I
Now we gotta try hard.
He did 80 damage on me.
Round starting.
Nope.
GG. Dang, I'm a lot better with shotgun than I thought.
Round starting.
Hey, shut up. I don't care about my low battery. Get out of here.
Dang.
Snatch fast. My head took that one.
Round starting.
I don't know where my charger is.
Holy crap. Dang it. I hate how if I just go like that, if I like, and then immediately shoot, it won't shoot. Okay, I'm looking cooked. Holy crap. Holy crap. GG. GG. That was terrifying. I have zero idea where he just came from, but
Round starting.
I don't know where you came from. Holy crap. Ooh.
My God.
That's literally the tactic, guys. I go shotgun boom, because it takes way
Round
too long
starting.
for it to cool down. Holy crap. Oh, I'm trying. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
Can I not grab my katana and grab a weapon?
What?
A weapon that doesn't suck?
I don't know what you're saying. I need to win this, guys.
Round
I need
starting.
to win this. Come on, I got this. I got these guys. Come on.
Get out of here.
No.
You suck. Freaking dumb shotgun spinner, where you're at.
Dang. So that guy was unkind. I don't. Yeah, he's not even unkind. He is horrible. So if you see anybody like that, just don't play with them. You know, they're not nice. So bye bye.